Hey guys, Jonathan here, and I have another tutorial for the Sarracenia forums. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the search features to do two things. For one, to search the entire forum, and two, to search within a specific thread. And I also hope by the end of this video, you'll know how to use the forum jump feature. Let's start with the search. When you go to the home or to any page here on the Sarracenia forums, the search is always on top. And what you could do from here is search the entire forum or just specific boards. You can click through which board you want to search through. And let's say, for example, I was interested in Sarracenia purpurea. And so I type in purpurea, and what I want to do is I want to generate all the posts that mention purpurea or all the threads that have purpurea in the title. And let's say I want as many search results as I can get, so I just add a few zeros to the maximum number of results. And when I click search, it searches through the entire forum for all the posts either that mention purpurea or that are posted in a thread that the title has purpurea in it. And if you scroll down very quickly, you can see there's a thread about purpurea seedlings, there's a thread about some interesting Sarracenia venosus, there's a interesting Sarracenia purpurea heterophylla here. Again with the seedlings, they come up. Someone's growing it in their grow list, and there you go. The pictures. There are some pictures of Sarracenia purpurea hybrids, seedlings. And again, these are some other pictures of Sarracenia rosea. And again, all the way at the bottom, other pictures of Sarracenia purpurea. This one from the district of Muskoka. This search will be very helpful if you were looking for a specific plant, but don't want to go through the entire forum looking for the plant. I suggest using the search feature. For example, if you're looking for an example of Leah Wilkerson, I would just search Leah or Leah Wilkerson, and then just put the maximum number of results pretty high so that you can get many search results in case the first thing you find isn't what you need. And here it is. It's actually the first thing that popped up are pictures of the Leah Wilkerson photos that were posted by Mike. Now let's say you're on the forum and there's a thread that's about 10 pages long and you want to search that specific thread for a specific post. You can also do that here on the Sarracenia forums. What you need to do is go through the specific thread, and there was a thread that was posted recently about how to germinate the Sarracenia from seeds. This is it. And let's say I was only interested in stratification, so I only want the post that mentioned stratification. What I could do is I could click on the search right here on the thread, and it'll ask me what am I searching for. I could search for stratification, and I get the 3 posts or the 2 posts in this thread that mention 3 posts. The 3 posts in this thread that mention stratification. One about having longer periods of stratification to get rid of the growth inhibiting compound. One that was surprised that Sarracenia could last 3 or 4 months of being stratified, and another post that I did. So that's just a good way to search within a thread, not throughout the entire forum. The last thing I want to show you guys was the forum jump feature. The forum jump is actually on the bottom right hand side of the forum, and from here you could jump to any board on the forum. So let's say that I was interested in Sarracenia aureophylla, but I didn't want to go back to home to click on plant pics to click Sarracenia aureophylla. That just is way too many clicks. From the forum jump feature, I could just jump to the Sarracenia aureophylla, and boom, I'm there with one click. And it's always on the bottom right hand side. No matter where you are on the forums, the forum jump is always there. So if I were here and I remembered something that an administrator had said and I wanted to jump to the administrative board to kind of look it up, I could always just click administrative board on the forum jump and it'll get me there. Again, it works with any board here. If I were looking to jump to the sales and trade, I could jump from here to sales and trade very quickly. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope these features make the forum more enjoyable for you, and thanks again for being here.